What are we doing, Damien?
Walking to Walmart.
We're walking to Walmart. We were just at that building way over there, and we went that way and just messed around. And now we're walking back this way in order to go to Walmart. Isaac said hi, and I found a flower in my shoe. You see it? It's pretty intense, right between my toes. It's how we live here in Alaska. Always on the extreme, with flowers in our toes, like hippies.
Like what?
Like hippies.
Nice.
I know, right?
That's not weird.
And Walmart is way over there, and that's where we're walking. Walking way over to Walmart.
When a fat person catches you saying at the weight capacity on an elevator.
As we walk, Scott is reading just funny things. It's funny. Like his nose. Look how big Scott's nose is. It's ginormous. And what else do you have to say, Isaac? In case you guys didn't know, that guy right there and this guy right here are twins. You probably didn't know that. Although he was adopted. This one?
He's the ugly twin. This
He's
is going
adopted.
on YouTube, right?
He's ugly. And they're twins.
Yep.
So we switched rooms the other day. Thought you guys might want to check out our new one. Yeah. Did you see the floor? Here. Let me move this out of the way so you can see the floor. Pretty nice. Smaller than our other one. Fridge is nice and it freezes everything. Got out some tea and it was ice. The desk is smaller. Can't fit as many things, and Jerry wants me to hold his earrings.
I know you're recording.
We got a
Who's taking the first shower?
we got a new view though. I mean, you know,
Because I'm naked.
it's not the
Because I'm naked underneath.
parking
all my
lot,
clothes.
but you know, it's
It's
a view.
Who should I go?
Jared, you should drive me so much
And it's
fun.
interesting. The other day we were watching Never Say Never, the Justin Bieber movie. The window is open right here,
I'm not gonna be.
and we were singing along with all the songs, and there's these people out there like the whole time. We decided that was a little embarrassing, but we don't really care. It's how we roll. And look what I found. Don't look in the bathroom, it's weird. Hair dryer. I never use these things, but I just found one, so now you guys can see my hair blow in the wind. And that is how you blow dry your hair. Until tomorrow, this is Paul.
Because I'm naked. Because I'm naked.
Jerry,
Oh. Because I'm naked underneath
Scott.
all my clothes.
who is naked under all his clothes, signing off.